Hello guys, welcome to the watch channel. My name is Oliver and today I have another unboxing video for you guys. I'm very excited to show you this watch. I'm very excited to see it myself. Before I get into it, I just want to say I really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. I'm uploading one video every single day in November, and I really appreciate if you subscribe and also like the video. It really does help me out, and also let me know what you think about the watch in the comments. So let's open it up. I already just cut it up here to make it a little bit easier. Let's see if I can find the watch. A lot of bubble wrap. Okay, this is a mess. Let me see. There's the box. Why do I always struggle so much with this? There we go. So as you guys can see, it's a Sinn watch. It's my first ever Sinn watch. Never owned one before. I'm just gonna change the camera a little bit and I'll be back in 1 second. Okay guys, I'm back. Here is the box. It's a big black box with the Sinn logo. Pretty nice like texture to it, like a leather like texture. So let's try and open it up, and come on, so very nice, and you already see what watch it is. I was not prepared to reveal that already, but it's a Sinn 104 STSAABE, the whole fucking alphabet there, and it's a nice little booklet, and yeah, let's just open the watch. I don't care about that. Come on. There we go. So the box is pretty nice. It's black leather, very soft. It's a Sinn logo and some German underneath. And let's open it up. More bubble wrap. And we got a tool, some spring bars. Let's check out this strap. It's two straps actually. Got this nice fabric strap, leather on the back, and I assume this is similar. Yeah, similar type of strap. I'm probably gonna change the strap. I don't love the bracelet on this watch. I can't really say that before having tried it on, but it's the tool, Sinn logo, some spring bars, and underneath we have something that I cannot get up. There we go. There is the warranty card. Some extra links for the bracelet. Alright, let's put that back. And let's take the watch out. And I already see that this is nice. I love this, but let me get it out of this wrap. Actually, I like the bracelet more than I thought I would, the look of it. Because on the pictures, I don't really like this bracelet. Oh, come on. Wow, look at that. This is gorgeous. Just let me put all this. I'm gonna take this off too. There we go. Just put all this aside. One moment. So here's the watch. Absolutely stunning. That blue color, look at that. It's beautiful. Already running. Bezel action is really good. Turns both ways. I have a date complication as well. Let's look at the watch. Polish on the sides. Pretty much all polished except the bracelet. Beautiful crown sign there. There's the movement, beautiful gold rotor. Let me see. Pretty nice. The first impression of this watch is that it's absolutely stunning. This blue color is gorgeous, and I love the like cream on numerals and on the hands. It's absolutely stunning. bracelet is very beautiful actually. It's very well made, beautiful finish. Clasp is decent. Not amazing, but decent. Wow. I'm already in love with this. I need to get it on my wrist. If I can open it again. Will it fit me? Oh, it fits me perfectly. Maybe a little bit tight. Beautiful fit. It's a 41mm watch, where it's really nice. You see the lug stick curve down, so it sits really nicely on the wrist. Absolutely beautiful watch. I don't know what strap I would like most on it though. This gray would be nice. Maybe this. I like this actually. But I think I'll try it on the bracelet first. Gorgeous watch. I'm really happy with it. My first on first impression, it just looks amazing. So I'm very excited to do a full review of this watch. I will do one. It will be out in a week or two. I do need some time with the watch first. Let's try and handle the crown. Is it a screw-on crown or is it just pop? It is a screw-on. It's just screwed really hard in. Let me see. There we go. Yeah. That's the date and then the day on the other way. Yeah. And you have German and English. And then all the way. Can't you set the time on this? There we go. Don't know what happened there. Crown feels really like stiff and kind of hard. Really hard to screw in, but it's not wobbly or anything. Very good quality. Very happy with the watch. It's absolutely beautiful. It's my first Sinn and probably not my last, but this is my favorite Sinn model by far. It's absolutely beautiful. I also like the chronograph one, but that's a little thicker and everything, so this is just perfect. So I hope you guys enjoyed the little unboxing video. I will do a full review of this coming up in a week or two, so please subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified for that. And I'm also uploading, as I said, one video every single day in November, so make sure to be subscribed. I also really appreciate if you like the video. Really helps me out. And what do you think of this watch? Let me know in the comments, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.